Now, you've paid some of that off, and consequently, any application that you make against RJ is for the remainder of that sum. At this stage, as it currently stands, the total debt that you're in as a result of Foxy's operations and vet treatment is how much in total?
So far, it's £3,650.70p.
How do you feel about that? Do you think you're financially responsible?
I don't, Your Honour.
Why not, sir?
I feel bad for the dog. I feel bad for the incident, obviously, but I don't feel financially responsible because after the incident, Beth went a whole month without contacting me. She vicariously told through social media, she was telling my other friends that she didn't want to know me. That the incident through...
Shaking your head, madam, is that true or false?
In fact...
What would you like to say in response to that? One detail at a time, please.
So, I've tried ringing quite a few times, never no answer. I've not posted on social media anything to do with it because I don't post, like, if anything, I post photos of Foxy. And I've messaged his friend saying that I need to get in contact with him. This money is, like, tearing us apart. And he's
Who is it tearing apart? What's going on? Just look at...
It's our family, the struggles we've been through. Like, it's changed our whole lives.
For the past 3 months since the accident, I sleep on a settee with Foxy. We put a fence around the settee so she can't get off, so I'm right there with her.
And you've had a partner for 30 years.
Yeah, he sleeps in the bed with the other dog. Shares the bed with the other dog, yeah.
This is an opportunity to meet Foxy, and I'm worried about how delicate she is. So what I'm going to do is send you with Michelle, who's got more than some experience at managing animals. Could I ask you, please, Michelle, to go along with Donna to bring Foxy in? Thank you very much.
Follow me, Donna. Come this way. You okay?
Yeah.
Do you still have this dog, the Pomeranian? Is it your dog or is it a friend's?
No, it's mine, Your Honour.
And half Pomeranian?
Half Pomeranian, half Yorkshire Terrier.
Well, she clearly loves her mums. Which is a broken leg? Are you able to show me?
This one, the bandage has come off again.
Hello, Foxy, you've been injured. Even in Mum's arms, Foxy's very nervous and she shakes. I don't want to prolong Foxy's distress.
Yeah.
Can I ask you to take her out now? Thank you so much for bringing her and look after her. Thank you. Now, while that's happening, Bethany, one of the things that's emerged in these proceedings and doesn't necessarily, I have to tell you, jump off the page in your application, is that you're furious about all of this. You give me a sense of how angry you are towards RJ that this has happened.
There's so many mixed emotions. It's like, all the 4 years, if there's glass, we'll pick her up. If we see anyone, we warn them straight away. It's just, it's so many years protecting her, and this one thing that happens and it's changed her life, and she don't deserve it.
I believe you. But why are you so angry towards RJ? Donna?
What he's put her through. She's gone through about 20 sedations every time they do change her bandage because it constantly falls off. They can't keep it on. The 2 surgeries she's had to go through, and her just not having a life. Her life is stuck on a settee now.
I feel bad for their loss, and it's terrible, but I don't want to feel like I'm being put responsible financially for that. I've got my own struggles. I don't work. I don't have any real money as well, so financially I don't feel like I should be put under that stress.
Was this an accident, RJ?
It was.
Bethany, you bring this case with Donna. Now, before I give any ruling, I, as a judge, can only consider the law. And the law is very difficult in this matter because you have to prove, so that I'm more sure than not, that what RJ did was negligent. I have to tell you, very regrettably, that although what he did was not the best thing to do, In law, it isn't negligent. It is, as he rightly says, a very unfortunate accident. Now, the consequence of that, I'm sad to say, is that anything that flows from that, you can't recover. And so, consequently, I have to dismiss your case. Sir, in the future, please be more careful.
Your Honour.
Bethany and Donna lost their case and were awarded nothing by the court. Let's find out how both parties felt about the judge's ruling.
What about what I've been through? Every single day for 3 months. You're just going to shrug your shoulders, are you?
I'm deeply apologetic. I'm really sorry, and I hope that you recover from your losses.
She's never going to be the same. Never.
Being apologetic is doing something about it, not just words.
I'm a lover of all life, and I would never, ever go out of my way to ever harm dogs, cats, birds.
I know Judge Rinder did the right thing, or what he had to do, but I don't think he's going to learn a lesson from it.
It was an accident, it happened, and as Rinder said, it could have happened to anyone.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.